Hi, I'm Paul Haydocy with Road Adventures, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize your water system for your Winnebago Minnie Plus. For the Minnie Plus, your freshwater tank and city water use the same connection point. First, you'll want to hook the hose to the water connection. Once the hose is connected, you'll want to decide whether to fill your freshwater tank or utilize the city water connection. To do that, simply turn the blue handle to the desired selection. Thanks for watching. To check out more how-to videos, visit our YouTube page or go to roadadventures.com and start planning your next Great American Getaway.